Big changes are coming to the Phoenix Police Department. The goal is to build back trust in the community. Our Jason Berry joining us live now at Phoenix Police Headquarters with what kind of changes they're making. Good afternoon, Jason.
Well, police reform has been a hot topic here in Phoenix and other cities across the country, which is why we are seeing a number of policy changes in the new contract between the city and Phoenix Police Department.
Get out the car! Get out the car right now!
Phoenix police have had their share of high-profile confrontations.
Whoa! Put your hands!
And that's led to a number of protests and rallies. From concerned community members demanding widespread police reform.
We have heard community input through...
Lori Bays is Phoenix's Director of Human Resources. She says the city has just reached an agreement with Phoenix PD on a new 2-year contract that includes a number of policy changes designed to create more transparency and hold officers more accountable.
The message to the public is we hear you. We want to rebuild trust with the community. We want to make sure that we have things in place to deal with officers who do not meet our high expectations.
Among the reforms in the new agreement, the police chief can now take immediate action if an officer is involved in a felony crime. It allows the Civilian Oversight Committee to investigate officers. Vacation time will no longer be allowed in lieu of suspension, and no longer can items be purged from an officer's personnel file. The Phoenix Law Enforcement Association released this statement. "We are pleased with the end result and look forward to final approval of the contract." But not everyone is convinced the proposed changes will make a difference in the way Phoenix officers interact with the public.
That's not the way to...
Jacob Rayford is a member of the We Project, a grassroots group pushing for systematic change in the way the Phoenix Police Department is run. He wants more money allocated for a neighborhood crisis department that would deal exclusively with mental health and substance abuse calls.
The fact that they're patting themselves on the back for removing something that is really nonsensical in the first place and morally wrong in the first place, it does not merit applaud or reward. We need to see way more. This is not enough.
We don't believe that this particular contract resolves all issues, but we believe that it is a huge step forward and that we're making significant progress.
The Phoenix City Council is expected to approve the new contract with the police department tomorrow. You can bet we will be there to let you know if there are any surprises. In Phoenix, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.